So the first thing you're going to do is kind of move things around if you need to, because the object is to find the inverse of the equation. So I don't like that x to the 5th, and so I'm going to change that to y equals 5 log base 3 of x. If I divide by 5 on both sides, I get y over 5 equals log base 3 of x. When you're finding the inverse of any equation, you're switching the x for the y and the y for the x, and you're leaving the y alone. Okay? So this is going to end up being x over 5 equals log base 3 of y. Now I'm going to put it in exponential form. So 3 is the base to the x over 5 equals y. Is the y alone? Mm-hmm. Is there the log gone? Mm-hmm. You're done. All right. So what I first do here is I see that I change this to an exponent. And when you have a radical, it's that guy over that guy. So x over 5. Okay? If you had a square root of something, it would be 1/2, because it's that something has got an exponent of 1 and the square root has a 2. Okay. So I also see that 1 to anything is 1. So I'm going to put this as 1/5. I actually did it different than they did it, but I'm doing it their way. 1/5 to the x over 5. Okay? Any questions there? So now we change it to logarithmic form. The base is the guy holding up the exponent. The answer is the y, and the x over 5 is the answer to a log question. The exponent is always the answer to a log question. So then we're going to do log base 1/5 of x equals y over 5. You're switching the x with the y and the y with the x. Then you can multiply both sides by 5, so you can leave it like this, or you can leave it like this. Log base 1/5 of x to the 5th equals y. Either one of those answers is okay with me.